Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone from class 10 to Makaska SMA Tungawi, Taruna Indonesia. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Gilang Angga Kusuma. I'm from class 10 to SMA Negeri Tungawi, Taruna Indonesia. I'm from absen 17 and I'm going to make choose from dragon fruit. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, the ingredient is one ripe dragon fruit. You can either red or white, it's very variety for you. And 2 teaspoons of honey or your sugar. It's optional depending on your sweetness. And 1 cup of water. Ice cubes, it's optional. And that's it. We need blender, knife and some steps. Okay, the first step is prepare the dragon fruit. We need to cut the dragon fruit in half. Use a sponge to scoop out the flesh and discard the skin. Okay, let's go. Then we prepare the blender. Yes. Okay, this is the result. Excellent. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video about how to make dragon fruit juice. Okay, thank you for watching. That is the step. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.